I've got another Fashom box, which I'm super excited about. Fashom is a clothing subscription box, and it is, you fill out a profile, and that profile not only includes your sizing, they've got a really good array of sizes, so they can accommodate, you know, teeny and some of the larger sizes, so it's very flexible. The other thing is their styling fee when you request a box is only about $15. Oh, they pick out, I think, 7 or 8 different items for you, and they put that in on your account for you to look at and go over. And then from there, you choose the 5 that you want sent to you, which I think, again, is really cool, because I'd rather do that than have random items sent. If you keep 3 or 4 items, you get like a 25% discount. If you keep all 5 items, you get a 30% discount, which is really good. It comes in this adorable purple box, which I love. It goes with my background. And inside the box, it comes packaged really nicely. It's all folded up really nice, and then it's got the tissue paper and stuff. Okay, the first thing is by Chris and Carol, and it's just a super soft, comfy t-shirt. Now, you know, and it's got a curved hem. Can you see that? Yeah. This tee retails for $32. And like I said, it's super duper soft and comfy. So yeah, let me just go ahead, post a pic so that you can see this top. Okay, I'll be right back. I like the open neck on it. I don't like collars that are really closed. And I love the cap sleeves. So this may be a keeper. Next is this adorable navy blue and cream top. And I don't think, oh, it's got slits on the bottom. Again, it's super duper soft. And then look at the sleeves with the pink trim, and it's got a little knot. And then this is all open, so it's like a cold shoulder. So let's cut to the picture, and I'll be right back. And I've got several kind of cold shoulder tops. I really like them. They're comfy, and especially in the spring and fall, they're with long sleeve. They're, you know, comfortable and airy, not too heavy usually. So I definitely like that style. I don't know. So yeah, really cute top. I'm excited about it. Isn't that adorable? And look at these adorable sleeves. Now this one I do definitely think I'm keeping. It retails for $42. And again, there's a, ooh, here we go, a slit at the bottom. No, it's actually not really a slit. The front is a little shorter than the back. So that works for me. Definitely. But it is so super soft. Super duper soft. I love this. We will cut to the picture. I do really like that top. That one is definitely a keeper. And this is an off-the-shoulder top. And look at the flower detail on the front. Isn't that super cute? It's got a No, it's a straight hem bottom. No, I think it's got a little curve to it. Yeah. But yeah, I really, it's like really a flowy top. So it's going to hang really comfortably. And I think this is a to die for adorable top for shorts. I absolutely love it. Super cute. And let's cut to the picture. Again, really cute top. It's not stretchy or anything because, like I said, it's like a rayon material. I usually prefer more of a stretchy material. Ooh, my eye's watering. But let's look at. And then last but not least, they sent me an adorable pair of skinny jeans. And look at the bottoms on them. They're frayed. Now, there's no other fraying. They're just like stonewash. They've got like the blasting on them. But yeah, look at those. And they're super duper soft and stretchy. I think they're super duper adorable. Hang on and let me cut to the photo because the photo looks awesome. Hang on. I don't know what I'm going to be keeping. I really don't. I'm going to have a hard time deciding. Unless I just end up keeping everything. I don't know. What do you think? I hope you have an awesome weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.